Now you can use this for anything, right? You can say for housing expenses, for home repair, for all kinds of things. So, but the key prompt is please give me a list of government agencies and nonprofit organizations that provide grant money. Grant money is essentially free money. Welcome back to Making Money with AI. I'm Dave Espino, and if you want to learn the best ways to make money using AI, then you've come to the right place. I'm inviting you to get your free AI newsletter at the link below. I've been making money online for 25 years, and I'd like to be your coach and help you make money with AI too. Okay, let's get into today's video. In today's video, I want to share with you how you can get free money using AI. I know that sounds crazy, but let me walk you through this. All right, so what you want to do for this is you want to use a tool called Gemini. This is gemini.google.com. So it's Google's AI, and it's Google's form of ChatGPT. It's very similar. However, the difference is that because it is Google's AI, it accesses the internet in real time. So this is good when you want to access AI information that is up to the minute versus ChatGPT can be just a few months older, right? So when you want up to the minute current information and you want, let's say, like an AI tap into Google, then this is the way to do it. So here's what we're going to type into gemini.google.com. This used to be called Google Bard, but now it's called Gemini. So I'm going to enter the prompt here. And the prompt is, please give me a list of government agencies and nonprofit organizations that provide grant money for housing expenses. Now you can use this for anything, right? You can say for housing expenses, for home repair, for all kinds of things. So, but the key prompt is, please give me a list of government agencies and nonprofit organizations that provide grant money. Grant money is essentially free money. Let's go ahead and click go, and let's see what it comes up with. This is going to give you federal as well as potentially state information. Now, if you want to get a little more micro with it, you can go with state information, like mention your state or your location. So it says, here are some government agencies and nonprofit organizations that provide grant money for housing expenses. U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development, that's HUD, offers a variety of programs. You can click on that link, right? So this is better than a search engine because this is real time and it's much more customized to what you're looking for. Rural Housing Service offers a number of loan and grant programs to help rural residents with housing needs, including the Single Family Housing Direct Loan Program and the Section 504 Rural Housing Repair and Rehabilitation Grant Program. So if you want to live kind of out of the way, you want to live out on a farm or out in the rural areas where you kind of want to get away from it all, this is perfect, right? Then you've got the National Low Income Housing Coalition. You've got Neighbor Works America, which is a nonprofit organization. And then it even gives you tips on finding grants. You could go to grants.gov, which is a website of the US government that lists all federal grant programs. Ideal List is a website that lists grants and other funding opportunities for nonprofit organizations. I'm not going to go into these, but you can go check them out on your own. And then important to remember, they can be very competitive, so it's important to meet the eligibility requirements, submit a strong application, etc. Let's try a slightly different prompt. And let's say, please give me a list of government agencies and nonprofit organizations that provide grant money for, let's say, auto repair. And we can see Google's Gemini tool coming up with some solutions. Now, it may not give direct grants, but maybe it gives other forms of assistance. So here's one, working cars for working families, a phone number that connects you with a database of local resources, local charities and church programs, etc. Let's use that same prompt and say medical expenses. Okay, so let's say medical. And now you're finding ways to get grants for medical expenses and things like that. Now I'm choosing some of the bigger expenses that we may have, but as you can see, it can be different based on different needs. Let's go with one more, and I'm going to say with housing repairs. As you can see, you can use this for many different things and many different types of solutions that you can look for. Let's say grant money to buy a house. Let's go with that one. And let's see what it comes up with. There aren't government grants directly for buying a house. There are programs that offer down payment assistance, which is kind of the same thing, right? We want help with buying a house. So you got state housing finance agencies, local government agencies, nonprofit organizations, and then some additional tips. So there you have several ways to get free money using AI. And this is going to help you. You can go down many different rabbit trails as well with this, right? Because you can click on some of these things. You can even have Gemini help you with the application for these grants and things like that. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. If you like this idea of generating free grant money from AI, or if you like ways to make money with AI, then you're going to love our newsletter. It's free. The link will be in the description below. Thanks for joining us on Making Money with AI.